Welcome to Gee's Bend Ferry, the first all-electric passenger ferry in the United States, a special crossing over the Alabama River. We're rolling the truck right onto the deck. Part-time RV life taking us across this historic river.
Kimberly?
Yes.
What are we doing?
We're on a ferry.
What kind of a ferry?
Okay, we're rolling.
The cat is moving.
Are we taking the truck across the river, honey?
We are. Totally. We're moving.
As we ease away from the dock, the river opens up wide. That smile says it all. Pure excitement on the water. Gliding through the Alabama River. Just us, the truck, and this peaceful stretch of scenery. These reflective waters, fluffy clouds overhead, high grasses along the bank, the river putting on a beautiful show. Time lapse of our full crossing, watching the landscape slide by in smooth motion. And here we approach the dock again, slow and steady, landing on the other side. What a special way to travel. A huge thank you to the amazing crew for this truly magical experience. You made it unforgettable. If you ever taken the Gee's Bend Ferry, share your favorite moment in the comments below.